So, numbness, alam na po natin, ito yung pamamanhid o kaya tingling. Ito naman ay pangingilid sa mga limbs. Numbness here includes tingling in the limbs. So, generally speaking, a feeling of numbness o kaya tingling may be due to, una, blood deficiency. Pangalawa, wind. Pangatlo, phlegm. Pang-apat, dampness or damp heat. Number 5 is stagnation of qi and blood. So itong blood deficiency usually causes tingling, whereas phlegm and wind naman, it tend to cause more numbness. With wind, the numbness is often unilateral. However, these are only general rules. Blood deficiency, karaniwan po ito, nasanhi ay yung numbness o tingling sa mga limbs, sa mga kabataan, especially women. Sa mga may edad naman, numbness of the limbs is very often caused by wind o kaya yung wind phlegm na hinaharangan po yung channels. And in the case of wind, yung numbness po is karaniwan ay unilateral. Dampness or damp heat may cause numbness of the limbs and especially po sa mga legs. Sa mga ibang cases po, yung numbness may be caused by stagnation of qi and blood sa mga limbs, in which case it is relieved by exercise. So ito, tandaan po natin, itong numbness or tingling of the limbs. Pag blood deficiency, common ito sa mga kababaihan, more tingling. Sa wind naman, more numbness, often unilateral, common in elderly. Pag phlegm, alam na po natin, mabigat ang pakiramdam. Ang dampness naman, may swelling. At saka stagnation of qi and blood, may pain po. So meron po tayong case history dito. 63-year-old man, nagsasuffer po siya ng multiple sclerosis for 10 years na po. Alam na po natin itong sclerosis ay isang matagalan at karaniwang nakakabaldang sakit sa central nervous system. Maaaring slight o mild lang ang mga simptomas. Although the disease had been diagnosed only 3 years previously, for a long time, ang only symptom po niya ay nagsasuffer po siya from a tingling sensation in the right arm, tsaka yung leg. More recently, nagsisimula ng hinihila niya po yung kanyang kanang binti. And nakakaramdam siya ng difficulty with the right arm also. So in addition, he had recently developed a dry throat and cough and suffered from occasional night sweating at may tinnitus or tinnitus. Yung latest symptoms po niya was spasms. Ito yung pulikat. Ang kanyang pulso po was fine on the right and wiry on the left. Ang kanyang dila naman ay slightly reddish purple and dry with small cracks. And the tongue coating was slightly manipis po. Ang diagnosis nito, the initial symptom of tingling of the right leg indicates na may dampness, which is usually yung unang stage po ng multiple sclerosis. So the more recent dragging of the right leg and difficulty with the right arm indicate na po na yung kanyang sakit ay nag-progress na po for further stage, stomach and spleen qi deficiency. And then yung patient later develop a dry throat and cough po. Meron na siyang night sweating and tinnitus, which indicate na yung kanyang sakit ay nag-progress to yet further stage of liver and kidney yin deficiency. At nagko-confirm naman sa kanyang pulso being fine on the right, the tongue, natuyo po yung kanyang tongue and the tongue coating which was slightly manipis. Finally, ang pulikat sa kanyang leg indicate internal wind, which derives from yin deficiency and is usually the last stage of multiple sclerosis. So, yung kasong ito, yung case history na ito, ipinapakita po na shows succinctly, so nang maikli, all the 4 stages of multiple sclerosis. That is dampness, stomach and spleen Qi deficiency, liver at saka kidney deficiency, at saka internal wind po.